How to buy Qubetics token, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a professional economic expert. So before investing in any project that you want on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there's a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards crypto with paid referral code. Simply go below, find your account to enjoy the benefits. Check out the description. So before going on, make sure to check X account and keep following the update about this token. And one over the update that you can see this post in January 26. If you click on it, you will be able to see this link here that you can be able to buy. So if you can click on it, you will be able to this page and you can go to their official website. It's the same. So after that, click on join panel and Presale. Now that after you need to do is that go to the page. It will show what you need to do. So you can see the phase number 19. Next phase begin in the 40 in 4 days. And so what you need to do, connect your wallet. For that I will use the MetaMask. So after that, just choose it now. Use the mint, can see which extension do you want to connect to. So because I have multiple wallet, I will use the MetaMask. So for that, you will justify the login trust wallet for that. So guys, I'll just click on connect. So after that, you connect your wallet to this Presale page. As you can see, you have the dashboard and you have to buy. So you want to buy this token. So what you need to do is that step 1, select the payment method. If you want to select the BNB network, you can select the token that you want to buy. With this, so in the same page and the same review with this network, the other network. So if you want to select the Solana, you can here type how much you want to buy this Solana you have in your wallet. Now this is how much you will be receive of the token. So after that, click on the buy now. As you can see, the send deposit and the scan the QR code. Now go to your wallet and set that amount of sold to this address. As you can see the payment address. So after that, receive the payment and with your address they will send to the amount that is shown here of the token, so that you can be able to use this token on your wallet. After that, make sure the transaction is okay.